Good AM everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Jason Chavez. I'm Jenny Anas Guerrero, the first presenter. Our topic is all about recent trends in marketing. Recent trends in marketing refer to emerging strategies and technologies in marketing field. There are 16 contents in recent trends in marketing. Let's start with e-commerce, e-business, e-marketing, e-tailing, green marketing, social marketing, service marketing, rural marketing, multi-level marketing, ambush marketing, commodity exchange, viral marketing, niche marketing, guerrilla marketing, referral marketing, and content marketing. Next, I will give a short explanation about my 6 parts in our topic. So, we will start in e-commerce. Ano nga bang e-commerce? Ang e-commerce, ito ang lahat ng activities kinalaman sa pagbili o pagbenta ng produkto na gamit ang online or digital platforms. For example, ang pag-order natin ng mga bagay or gamit through online shop. Next is e-business. So, ano nga ba ang e-business? Ito ay anumang klaseng negosyo na gumagamit ng internet at online tools para sa operasyon at transaksyon. Halimbawa na lang ng digital marketing, customer support, at supply chain management online. Let's proceed to e-marketing. Ito yung pagpropromote at pagbenta ng products o serbisyo na gamit ang internet at telecommunication networks. Halimbawa na po yung Facebook ads para sa online store. Next is e-tailing. Ito ay isang online na pagbebenta ng produkto sa pamamagitan ng shopping websites tulad ng Shopee, Lazada, TikTok at iba pa. Halimbawa na lang ng isang gadget store na may online shop sa TikTok. Next is green marketing. Ito ang pagpapromote ng eco-friendly na may produkto na may kalidad, magandang performance, or abot kayang presyo para sa customers. Halimbawa ang pagbenta ng reusables bag. So that's all in my part. Let's proceed to the next presenter.
So good day to everyone. I'm Rica Joyce B. Santos, the second reporter. So ang social marketing focuses on promoting initiatives that benefits society rather than just generating profits. So, ang goal ng social marketing is to bring positive behavioral change sa mga tao regarding sa social issues like anti-tobacco, for example, anti-smoking advertisement that show the harmful effect of tobacco on health are form of social marketing. So, ang service marketing, ito ay nagpo-focus sa pagbebenta ng intangible products tulad ng banking. For instance, a bank promotes its online banking service to make a transaction easier for customers. So, ang rural marketing refers to the process of developing, promoting, and distributing goods and services. Especially sa mga rural customer, it involves meeting the unique needs of rural population. Dapat nila ma-adapt ang marketing strategy to rural conditions such as limited access to modern retail store, lower purchasing power, at sa mga iba pang cultural preference. Example, sa pag-promote ng mababang presyo ng cellphone in rural areas where affordability is crucial. So, ang multi-level marketing naman ay isang uri ng direct selling kung saan ang mga existing distributors ay nagre-recruit ng bagong distributors para sa mas mapadaling pagbebenta ng produkto. So, ang sistema ito ay umaasa sa relationship referrals at word-of-mouth marketing imbes na sa traditional na advertising. So, ang ambush marketing naman ay ang mga brands na kumukonekta sa events ng hindi official na sponsor para sa mas murang exposure sa kanilang mga brands. Ang commodity exchange naman ay isang regulated na marketplace para sa pag-trade ng commodities tulad ng agriculture goods, metals, or energy products. Pwedeng mag-transact gamit ang cash card or iba pang paraan na sinisiguradong transparent at efficient ang proseso.
I'm Harky Langa. Viral marketing is about spending message quickly like a virus. Where people share it with others, it's a way from message to go viral and reach a large audience fast. Marketing focuses on spending specific group of customers who have unique need that aren't being fully met by competitors. It does mean a small market is about focusing on targeted audience with a specialized solution. Guerrilla marketing is a creative way of promoting product in public place, usually with low budget but a high impact. It's for small businesses to make big impression without spending much. Marketing relies on happy customers spreading the word to others rather than traditional ads. It's about encouraging existing customers to bring in the news one. Marketing is about building trust and loyalty by offering useful and valuable information without directly selling. It's about creating connection and providing value to your audience.